Hello, and welcome to the Agile Budgeting video number 2. And this is with our simple spreadsheet here, our sprint backlog. Today we're going to cover a very specific question, and that question is going to be what happens when we've spent all the money that we have budgeted for a particular expense. How do we track it in this spreadsheet? Okay, so here's how we can do that. There's two answers to the question, and we'll go over both of them. We're going to scroll down and we're going to say that we ran through our dine out budget this month. Let's say that on the second of the month we spent $30 and another couple days later we spent another $40, so that gives us 30 left. And let's say that we spent the rest of it a couple 3 days later. So now we have $0 left. But I don't know, maybe we need to take our nephew or our grandson out for lunch or something, and so it'd be nice. Now there's a couple things that we can do at this point. It's perfectly acceptable to enter negative numbers in these spreadsheets. So instead of having $0 left, we will have negative $20 left. And we can scroll over here to the right a little bit, just enter a negative 20. Okay, and that will be reflected in our chart near the bottom of the page. Another thing that we can do, if you'll notice, we'll scroll down a little bit here, is we have two categories that I've added in the other income category. Okay, one is the leftover money from the previous month. We didn't spend everything last month, so there's a little carryover. Hopefully we don't spend that, but sometimes we need to. And the next one is left over from the current month. In other words, we know that we have X number of dollars coming in the month. We know what we intend to spend, and that means that we're going to have $190 left over according to this example. So one of the things you could do would be, instead of taking it out of the dine out category, for the purposes of our sprint, you could scroll over and take it out of the leftover from the current month. So instead of 190, we would have 170, and that would be just a way to continue to track an expense that has gone over budget. That's going to happen. More important than anything is to track the expenses that you have on a month to month. Not try to be perfect. Try to be excellent. So I hope this tip has been helpful. And I hope you enjoy Agile Budgeting with the simple sprint backlog spreadsheet. Thanks again. Bye-bye.